We reached Rishikesh early in the morning and took the 4 o'clock bus to Rudraprayag. Then we got to another bus from there to Ukhimat, and at around 3 pm we reached Ukhimat and took a shared taxi to reach Chopta. It took around 1.5 hours to reach Chopta. It snowed very little this year, so we could drive straight up to Chopta. We were very happy that we could reach Chopta by evening, and it took us about 11 to 12 hours for us to reach Chopta from Rishikesh. The next day we trekked to Tungnath and Chandrashila and decided to do our night stay at Ukhimat. At Ukhimat we stayed in Hotel Dev Bhumi. The food and rooms were really nice and we enjoyed it. The hotel manager also suggested us to visit Kartik Swami temple, and since it was very close by, we decided to give it a try.
అడుగుతాను.
To reach Kanakchunri, we took the first bus from Mukhimat, got down at Chandrapuri, and from there we got into a shared taxi to reach Mohan Khan. This route passes through small villages with a beautiful view of the Kedarnath mountain range. Luckily, we got another bus to Kanakchunri immediately after reaching Mohankhal, and this was a short journey, and we reached Kanakchunri by 10 am. Now, many may suggest you to reach Kanakchunri via Rudraprayag, but I recommend this route as it is short and very scenic. Next, we reached Mayadeep and checked into the Mayadeep huts, dumped our bags, and started our trek to Kartik Swami temple around 11 am. Although we had difficulties in charging our mobile phones and heating water for bathing, the night stay in the huts was comfortable, and the next day we got up early to catch the 6 o'clock bus to reach Rudraprayag.
మన స్క్రూ డ్రైవర్లు మన మా టెస్ట్ పెంచది బస్సు సీపీ బ్యాల్ ఒకటి కదా మళ్ళీ
It was a very pleasant journey and we enjoyed it a lot with a beautiful view of sunrise over the white mountains. It took us 1.5 hours to reach Rudraprayag from Kanakchundri, and it was mostly downhill without much traffic, so we enjoyed this trek very much.